Both do have a plastic body, and at the back also plastic. On the side we do have here a button. It's not a rotary crown button for our Huafit Watch. Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two popular, affordable, sporty smartwatches. We have the Huafit Watch Metro 2 and the other one is the Oraimo Watch 5. On this video, we are going to compare its packaging, the design, dimension, and UI. So we'll check the difference between the two smartwatches when it comes to specs and design. So if you are interested to know the difference between the two wearable, watch this video, and if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the two smartwatches. So before we go with the design, let's check first the packaging. We have here the Huafit Watch Metro 2. It has a decent packaging. It is just okay. We do have some details on the side here for specs and features. And at the back, we do have the QR code. What we have here is the pink color. At the back, we do have some details on its specifications, like the connectivity and the waterproof rating. Simple packaging, and I think it's durable. I think it's just okay. For the Oraimo Watch 5, as expected from Oraimo, it has a durable, elegant box packaging. It feels and looks premium compared to our Huafit watch. On the front, we have the specs and the features here. So we do have some details: thin, tough design, wireless, high definition calling. At the back, we do have the specifications and QR code for the website. Okay, so much better packaging, more elegant, and it is durable. Very thick box. Let me remove it first. We can check out the contents, or we can check the box here. Okay, discover endless possibilities, keep exploring. So we have the user manual here. Now that we are done with the packaging, let's check out the design. So we have here, both do have a rectangular body frame with a mid-range size. Both do have a plastic body, and at the back also plastic. On the side, we do have here a button. It's not a rotary crown button for our Huafit watch or Huafit Watch Metro 2, while for our Oraimo Watch 5, let's see, yes, it's not rotary also, just a power button. Let's increase the brightness. Let's try to change the watch face here so we can check the border. Okay, seems like they do have, okay, the Oraimo 5 do have a slight bigger body frame, the length, but for the width it's almost the same. Okay, let's check. Oh, it's bigger. I think it is just for the thickness. They have the same thickness here. We'll check it later, the dimension and weight. They both have flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin. Both are using pogo pin magnetic charging, as you can see here. So when it comes to the design, the Oraimo Watch 5 do have a much better look, more elegant. Both do have a wide black border on the bottom part, slim on top, right and left. So which do you think is better in terms of design? Okay, both are lightweight. For the dimension, we have 37.5. For our Oraimo, we have 38, just 0.5 millimeter. 45.6, 47.7. For the thickness, 10.7 or 8. Then for our Metro 2, it's 11. Okay, the Metro 2 is a bit thicker compared to the Oraimo Watch 5. Again, for the design, for the dimension, let's check. Our Metro 2 here, we have a sporty strap. With the strap attached, we have 35.46 or 45. For our Oraimo Watch 5, we have 43.84. Again, 35.62, or shall we say 35, and the other one is 43. So a bit heavy, almost 10 or 8 grams heavier compared to our Huafit Watch Metro 2. Next, let's have the specifications of both smartwatches. I'm going to put it here on the side. So for the Metro 2, we do have a 1.83 inch TFT LCD. For the Oraimo 5, we have 2.01 TFT, much bigger. They almost have the same pixel resolution, 240 by 284. The other one is 240 by 296. Let's adjust the display first. Screen time. Okay. Then for the battery, we have 220 mAh, 300 mAh for the Oraimo 5. Bigger battery, longer battery life. IP67 waterproof rating, 180M waterproof. So this one, it is using the JU Pro app, while the Oraimo, it is using their own in-house app, the Oraimo Health. Again, for the specs, you can check the complete specs on the side. 1.83 inch TFT, 240 by 296 pixel resolution. Let's check for the connectivity here. Bluetooth 5.0 for our Metro 2. And it's not IP67, it's IP68 here. On the product page, it is IP67. So we'll follow this. It is IP68. For our Oraimo Watch 5, we don't have the details here for the connectivity. I think it is also Bluetooth 5.0. Okay, compatible with iOS and Android. Okay, so we're done with the specifications. Check out the complete specs. Now let's check out the UI. On top, we have the settings here. So more options here for our Huafit Metro 2. On the bottom part, we have notifications. On the left side, we have the split screen for the Metro 2. Here we have the widgets. Okay, left and right, both are widgets. To access the main menu, just press the power button here. Okay. So that's it for the UI, the specs, dimension, design, and the packaging of our Oraimo Watch 5, comparing it with a Huafit Watch Metro 2. If you have a request for comparison, drop a comment below and watch our second video for the comparison. We'll check out and compare the UI and the menus and features of the Metro 2 versus Oraimo 5. Okay, so that's it. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.